Good afternoon, everybody. Good evening, actually, and welcome back to a new video on Bonk. I wanted to do an update. I missed the bullish momentum. I checked it out yesterday, but most of the bullish momentum actually came overnight after I checked it out. But in the end, what Bonk did is it found support right here at 13,500. And we did talk about this. I mean, when it started to show bullish momentum on Tuesday, for example, we covered it and we talked about what needed to happen. And what I said is that Bonk needs to break above 15,000, which we did on Wednesday. And then 15,000 was not very much, was not the support level which supported Bonk in its bullish momentum. It was a little bit lower here at the 200 EMA and practically all of the EMAs at 13,500. But bullish breakout in the end, and Bonk right now, I would say it's fairly bullish, all right? Now, while I say that, and instantly after saying that, what I must say as well is that I think the market circumstances right now, with the ETF launch and Bitcoin, that's very, very volatile right now. Bitcoin dominance, that's dropping, but sometimes spiking up. There's just a lot of uncertainty in the market right now, all right? So purely technically, on the short term, I would say Bonk is pretty bullish, all right? And there's enough reason to be bullish on Bonk. Solana is also pretty close to a bullish breakout here, which I'll cover in a video later today, this evening. And the open interest, I mean, it peaked kind of, it didn't peak, but it kind of made the local top right here on Wednesday morning. But since then, it's been far from disappointing. I mean, the open interest has still been high. And it even reached the local top earlier this afternoon today. So Bonk on its own, I would say, still has quite a lot of momentum right here. My screen just lagged a little bit. Hopefully that was not a problem for you. So then we're starting to look at the technicals, and there you can see higher lows on the 1 hour time frame at least, 4 hour time frame kind of. You can see that the EMAs have turned into support, and they are actually providing support. And then the open interest right now is still fine. So if the market circumstances were normal, I would say it's most likely Bonk will continue to go up. Our main resistance level right now is between 17,500 and 18,000. But I would say purely technically, the most likely scenario is that we'll, maybe find some more support at 15,000 and a bit lower. But that from there, at some point of time, we'll break above 17,500 and get up to this level right here between 21,000 and 22,000. Now, that's purely technically what I would expect. If we are going to be talking a little bit more about the fundamentals, and if we look at, for example, Solana, which is not doing bad, but in the end, I mean, it is dropping down from here. It just hit a significant resistance level, so there's no guarantee that Solana will perform. And then apart from that, look, Bitcoin is also, like I said, it's volatile and it's a bit unpredictable. And it's dropping down quite severely right now. So I would say that this is the most likely scenario, but please be careful, all right? Because if Bonk drops down, I would say if it drops down below 15,005, if it drops down below 15,000 and it does not instantly retake it either later this evening or tomorrow morning / afternoon, then it's more likely that would probably just move sideways and that the bullish momentum is lost. Maybe we'll drop down to 10,000 and just kind of move sideways in this area between 15,000 and 10,000, which is 100% a downgrade from what the situation is right now, which I would say technically is actually quite bullish. All right, so there's a lot possible for Bonk, but the one thing that can kind of stop it and which can be an obstacle is the market. All right, so therefore you should be careful. Keep an eye on Bonk. It looks great, all right? So I'm not bearish on it, but I'm just a bit hesitant. That's it. So yeah, if you do have any questions, of course, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or pinned comment. Very valuable, profitable. So check it out if you want to, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.